Alright, so we're picking up the new bike today, and I just wanted to show how we have the truck set up. This is a 17-foot Uhaul truck, and I'm using a wheel chock, front wheel chock mounted on a piece of plywood, have it stabilized with some straps, so that'll hold the bike upright, and then we're going to use the ratchet straps to make sure that the bike can't slide side to side, and we're just going to anchor it to these tie-down points. And I contacted Uhaul to make sure, because they list that these trucks have tie-down points, and so I asked about these rub rails to see if they're strong enough to actually secure stuff to, and they said that they are, and they're designed for that. So hopefully that won't be an issue, but yeah, this should work out well, and we'll show you how it is with the bike loaded up.
That's all I need is for my leg to give out on it.
Who's pushing?
Who's gonna? You guys are scaring the shit out of me in this.
You got the front?
Got it? Come on, come on, come on.
Got it?
Come on, I got it. I got it. I got it.
Hold it for a second. I got that. Thanks.
You put that in?
Yeah, so he built it. He has the chalk.
There you go. Are you good?
Yep, I'll strap it down from here.
Yeah.
That one's at least plastic coated. Oh no, it's not, it's just black.
Oh yeah, that pushes it down.
Like that.